In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your grille on your Toyota Corolla. It's located on the front of the car. Directly behind the emblem, you're going to see a connector. You're going to push in on the tab and unplug it. I'm going to show you the tab right there. You're just going to push down here and pull it out. So on our new one, you're going to see that the tabs are all along the edge. And you're going to stick a thin screwdriver between here and here, wherever those are, and you're going to pop out the grille. So you're going to look in here, and you're going to push down. Just make sure you don't scratch anything. And you're just going to pop it out. So these are on the top and the bottom. And just work your way all the way across. This plastic is quite bendable, so you're not going to really break it unless you are not lined up correctly with your screwdriver. There's one on either side. That should not be popping out yet. We're going to set that aside. Looks like there's a screw missing here in the back, so yours should not pop off like that. There we go. So here's the back side. This should still be on. I'm going to show you where the screw should have been. Right here. So you're going to undo this screw now to be able to take that emblem off. Now that you've taken out that screw, we're going to go ahead and do this one using a Phillips. You can also just use the Phillips screwdriver if you don't have a screw gun. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket, and we're going to take out these two bolts. Looks like that bolt has been replaced. You're going to remove this and transfer this onto the new one. Make sure you put your emblem screw back first. It's easier to get to that way. I just replaced mine with a new screw since mine wasn't there. And now I'm going to continue on, transferring it over. I have my bolts ready to go. I'm going to line this up, make sure these go through, and you can get your bolts started. I'm also going to get my screw going up here. And tighten these down. You don't want to over tighten it. It is going into plastic mostly. And now we're ready to pop this back on the car. So now we're going to put this on. You're going to line it up. It is a little tricky to get on. You're going to have to really finagle it. Just make sure you're lined up. And once you get this far, you are going to bend this down. It's bendable. And get the bottom part in. You're going to need a little muscle to do that. And snap these back in. Make sure you're secured. And then we're going to go in the back and plug it in. So here we are. We're going to put the plug back, line it up, push it on. You want to hear that click, make sure it's really on. Just give it a good pull, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.